Good morning, class 5. How are you all? I hope you read the lesson which we started yesterday. That was lesson number 4, Food and Deficiency Diseases. Now I talked to you about how food is important to us and what is the function of food. It helps us in our growth. It gives us energy, it protects us from various diseases, and it keeps us healthy and strong, and it also helps us to repair the damaged parts of the body. Now we also need to know the nutrients which are parts of food. Now nutrients are very important substance that is present inside the food, and it provides us nourishment. Now what do you mean by nourishment? Nourishment means enough energy it gives to the body so that the body can grow well and can be maintained well and we can survive. It is also important to understand the role and the quantity of various nutrients in our body. Now we should always know this very well, that certain nutrients are very essential for our body, so we should make sure that the nutrients are in equal number. That means if there is certain percentage of carbohydrates needed, we should be having that. We should try to take more and more of carbohydrates and proteins so that we can maintain the balance in our body. Now I'll continue with the definition of nutrients. Now nutrients help us to eat the right nutrients in right amount and maintain a balanced diet. Okay, now what is a balanced diet? A balanced diet is a diet in which all the nutrients are present in sufficient amount. Okay, now there's also one thing given, that if we eat more and more of protein rich food, protein means that is bodybuilding food, okay, then it is good for the children. Because why? Proteins are the building blocks of our body. It helps our body to grow up well. Now we should always make sure that the children have more and more of protein. So children, please try to take more and more of protein. That is, protein is what? Protein is bodybuilding food. Now I'll give you the examples of protein which you can eat daily, and I think you are actually taking that in sufficient amount. For instance, meat, fish, eggs, milk and milk products. I hope you all are taking milk every night. Okay, before going to sleep, try to take 1 glass of milk. Try to have meat, fish regularly so that the protein can get inside your body. And there are also proteins that comes from plants, and that is pulses, soya bean. They are very rich source of protein. Okay, so now we'll move to the function of various nutrients. Now very important nutrients of food are: number 1, carbohydrates. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are said to be the energy giving food because it gives us energy. It helps us to get more and more of energy which we need. Now see the definition. The food like wheat, rice, potato, corn, fruit juices, etc. are carbohydrates, and they are the main source of energy for our body. That is why they are called the energy giving food. Okay, now whenever you are maintaining a balanced diet, make sure you have sufficient amount of carbohydrates, because a major amount of carbohydrates is included in your balanced diet. So take more and more of carbohydrates. If you see in the lunch, at lunch we take what do we take? We take rice, we take roti, chapati. All these are rich in carbohydrates. Okay, now fats. What are fats? Fats also gives us more energy, but the energy is more than that of carbohydrates. Okay, the fats gives us more energy than carbohydrates, and that is why they are also called that is why the fats are called energy giving food. Okay, now I'll give you the example of fats. Now if you will see, please check, fats gives us more energy than carbohydrate, and they are called energy giving food. Examples are ghee, vegetable oil, okay, butter. These are rich source of fats. Now excess fat is also stored in the body and it leads to increase in the body weight. So we should not take much of fat, because more fat will make you increase the body weight. Of course you don't want to have so much weight. Okay. Okay. Then we'll move to the protein. Now what are proteins? Proteins are bodybuilding food. Okay. Now why are protein important for the for our body? Because they are building blocks of our body. Okay. Now I will suggest all the children and patient to if they want to recover from illness, they should take more and more of protein, and that also in large quantities. Okay. Now protein help us to grow protein help in the growth of our body. So please children, try to take more of protein. And their main source of protein is meat, fish, eggs, milk and milk products. Okay, these may protein they come from animals, and the protein that comes from plants are pulses and soya bean. Okay, they are rich source of protein. Now next we'll move to the vitamins and minerals. Now I must say that vitamins and minerals are considered to be the protective food, because they come from plants and animals, which are the protective food. Okay. These are found in huge quantity in green leafy vegetables and fresh fruits. I think you all are eating vegetables, leafy vegetables and fresh fruits regularly, because it will help you to have more of vitamins and minerals, because they can come from there only, from fruits and vegetables only. Now they protect our body from various diseases. For instance, if there is deficiency in vitamin and minerals, अगर आपके पास deficiency हुआ, जैसे अगर vitamin C की deficiency हुई या vitamin A की deficiency हुई, तो आपको eyes में problem हो सकते हैं. तो lot of diseases are there because of the deficiency of either vitamins or minerals or proteins. Okay. So make sure you have ample amount of food in right quantities, and you should have ample amount of nutrients in your food. Okay. So we should not be deficient. We should eat healthy regularly, so that there is no deficiency and we don't have to face the health problems. Next we'll move to roughage. Now can anybody tell me what is roughage? Roughage is the fibrous indigestible part present in fruits and vegetables that is called roughage. Now fibrous indigestive part means that is present inside the fruits and vegetables. अगर आप fruits and vegetables खाते होंगे तो आपको पता होगा कि बहुत सारे indigestible part है जो जल्दी डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता. It does not have any nutrient value. इसका कोई न्यूट्रेंट वैल्यू नहीं है, बट इट इज़ एसेंशियली रिक्वायर्ड. लेकिन ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है हमारे डाइट में, क्योंकि वो हेल्प करता है वाटर रिटेंशन एंड ऑल्सो हेल्प आवर फूड टू पास डाउन द एलिमेंट्री कैनाल प्रॉपर्ली. वो वाटर को रिटेन करता है, वाटर हम लोग के बॉडी में ख़त्म होने नहीं देता, और हमें खाना को ईज़िली पास करने में भी हेल्प करता है. मतलब वो जल्दी डाइजेस्ट करता है खाना को, ताकि हमारे एलिमेंट्री कैनाल में वो प्रॉपर्ली ट्रैवल कर पाए. नाउ व्हाट इज़ एलिमेंट्री कैनाल? जो हम लोग कुछ खाते हैं तो फ्रॉम द माउथ, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द माउथ टू द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, जहाँ से हमारा एक्सक्रीट स्टूल होते हैं, स्टूल या यूरिनेट करते हैं हम लोग, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड, this whole system is called alimentary canal. Okay, and they are also known as gut, gut, alimentary canal or gut. It also helps in the regular bowel movement. Now if you will take more and more of salad, more and more of roughage, it will help you to have regular bowel movement. Okay, now we should have leafy vegetables and fruits regularly in our diet. So I hope you all understood what are roughage. Roughage, for instance, they are present inside the carrot, broccoli, green leafy vegetables that we eat in salad, and very important, onions. All these are roughage. Cucumber. Okay, they are essentially required in our body because it helps us it helps our food to pass down the alimentary canal. If you really want the alimentary canal to be passed, you can take it. It also helps in the regular bowel movement. Raw green leafy vegetables and fruits provide roughage in our body. Always remember, if you will take leafy vegetables and fruits, what will happen? It will provide ample amount of roughage in your diet, okay, in your health. Okay, now about 70% of our body is composed of water. So we understood vitamins and minerals, and how if there is any deficiency in vitamin and minerals, what will happen? We should have ample amount of fruits and vegetables, because they are the main source of vitamins and minerals. Next we'll move to roughage. As I told you, roughage क्या होते हैं? They are the fibrous indigestible part, जो digest नहीं होते लेकिन हमारे खाना को digest करते हैं. They come from fruits and vegetables. Example salad, okay. Raw green leafy vegetables and fruits provided roughage in our diet. Now if you will take more and more of leafy vegetables and fruits, what will happen? You will have regular bowel movement, your alimentary canal will be good, and the food will be easily passing through your alimentary canal. It will also help your body to retain water, to help in water retention. So there are loads of benefits of roughage. Last we'll come to water. Now water is not nutrient, of course, but it is very important, essential part of our body. Our 70% body is composed of water. Then the largest percentage shows that the importance of water is very much in our body, because water helps us to regulate the temperature of our body. For instance, if our body temperature is very hot, it helps us to low down the heat. Water will make our body cool, and if our body is very cold, it will also help us to maintain the warmth. It will become warm very soon. Now most of the animals and other substance can dissolve in it, okay. Now most of the minerals and other substance. Now why is water important? Because most of the minerals and vitamins and other substance are dissolved in this water, okay. They are present inside the water. So what happens? The minerals can easily flow. For instance, calcium, potassium, and other there are so many metals we should be knowing. Okay, now water regulates the temperature of our body. Okay, most of the minerals and other substance can dissolve in it, okay. Many minerals can dissolve in water, like in our body we have potassium, we have sodium, okay. Now it also acts as a medium for a chemical reaction that occurs in our body. Now we all know there are lots of chemical reaction that takes place in our body. There are lots of reaction, okay. So in that case also water is needed, okay. Now children, I want you all to please read your book till here, so that we can understand more fully what the chapter is about. In the next topic we will move to the variation in food requirement, okay, and balanced diet. But before that, I want you to do this fill in the blank, do this one word answer. Bodybuilding food, it helps in the regulation of temperature. It's very easy. I don't think so I need to mark it for you. Please do this exercise for today homework, okay. Thank you so much. Take care children. Have a nice time.